Malacanang welcomes the Sandigan Bayan decision to declare that one of the 3 jewelry collections of former First Lady Imelda Marcos belongs to the government. In its ruling, the Sandigan Bayan declared that the pieces of jewelry known as the Malacanang collection are ill-gotten and are forfeited in favor of the Republic of the Philippines. The anti-graft court said the Marcoses failed to prove that the jewels were lawfully acquired. In welcoming the Sandigan Bayan ruling, Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma said the Filipino people have long been waiting for such court decisions.
Matagal na pong naghihintay si Juan de la Cruz sa mga desisyon na katulad niyan para mabigyang katarungan yung paghahanap at pagbawi sa mga illegal na yaman. Kaya pagkatapos po ng desisyong ito, maasa tayo na gagawa ng karampatang aksyon ang Presidential Commission on Good Government or PCGG dahil nasa kamay po nila yung pagpapatupad ng mga desisyon ng korte hinggil sa mga na-recover na ill-gotten wealth.